Okay. Again, good evening, Atomians and friends around the world. Whether you're doing your grocery budget, cooking dinner, or scrolling sa TikTok, sa Facebook, thank you po for choosing to be with us here with Tuesday Atomy. And let's declare our purpose together by reciting our company motto. Company motto, ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go!
Share
Share
the
the
spirit.
spirit,
Create the vision,
create the vision,
follow the
follow
faith,
the faith,
serve with
Serve
humility,
with
adja,
humility.
adja, adja.
adya.
Yan po yung aming guiding principle sa lahat ng Atomian sa buong mundo. Hindi po kami kulto, but if you're going to incorporate this company motto, I bet you will be a good person. Okay, so before I play the company profile, sa lahat na dito sa Zoom, it's A to Z of all the products that we have sa Atomy. So, bago ko i-play yung video, I would like you to choose random letters, 9, isulat sa inyong notebook, sa inyong papel. You can post it sa inyong chat group. Ayan. We will have this game and someone will win a special prize. And as we go through the session, sa pag-share nyo ng inyong favorite products na binili nyo recently, ginamit nyo recently, at isinare nyo sa iba, I will call out random letters. And of course, kung hold on. Kung buo kayo ng X or ano ba yan? Yeah, X pattern. Kung sino man ang mauna, just raise your hand or let us know or ilagay ka agad sa chat group. Sa mga nanonood po sa ng Facebook, pwede rin kayong sumali. Just post a picture para makita ko. Okay? And ano ba? Mamaya. So, be strategic. Siyempre, kung gusto mo manalo, mauna ka mag-share mamaya. Okay? So, let's watch our 2025 company profile.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global network marketing company with a presence across the globe. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices, Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. Developed as part of a national project by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, Hemohim holds 23 international patents and made history in 2023 by being the first in the country to offer dual health benefits, immune boost and fatigue relief. Absolute Cell Active Skincare, a flagship product, has surpassed 1 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales. It received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office, a first in cosmetics, and was named a world-class product for next generation by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. Atomy prioritizes customers, earning customer-centered management certification for 3 consecutive years, a rare industry feat. Since opening its US branch in 2010, Atomy has grown into a global hub, linking producers and consumers worldwide through 27 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, and Europe. Atomy products have proven highly popular in international markets, topping exports in health functional foods and over-the-counter medications. Following the $300 million Export Tower Award, the company's total exports reached 1.8 billion in 2024. After launching its EU branch, Atomy plans to expand globally, focusing on Africa, Central and South America, and other emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomy's success system, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. Success seminars that bridge online and offline realms vividly communicate Atomy's vision to members worldwide, presenting a vision of global success that goes beyond time and space by merging business and culture. The ACT project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower active members around the world. Atomy continues to provide unwavering support for success, including the reopening of Songnisan Forest as a hub for the Atomy brand experience. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price, and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies, such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. Atomy is implementing various policies to ensure sustainable coexistence with the Earth. The company promotes resource recycling and environmental restoration through product renewals aimed at zero plastic initiatives, increasing the use of biodegradable plastics and eco-friendly materials, and introducing smart packaging solutions. Atomy's contributions surpass not only its industry and the distribution sector, but also stand at the top level nationally. Over the past 3 years, the company's donation percentage relative to revenue has been 30 times that of the distribution industry, ranking first among Korea's top 500 companies. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Great Place to Work Korea. Atomy's culture of sharing has expanded beyond national borders, with the company, members, partner companies, and executives actively engaging in social contribution activities worldwide. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are Proud Atomy.
Yan ang ating company na nakaka-proud. Okay, so palakpakan natin ang ating company profile. Sa mga hindi pa po kilala si Atomy, I encourage you to watch our company profile paulit-ulit. Okay, hindi po yan magbabago. It will just improve. Sa mga nahuling pumasok, again, I'll remind you, we have a game to finish today. So choose 9 random letters like this or iba syempre sa inyo. And then kung sino yung makabuo ng letters or ng X pattern later, we'll have a special prize. Okay. Our topic today is all about the products. I call it A to Z of Atomy. Okay. Feeling ko wala pang products na nagsisimula ng Z. Pero parang meron, hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan, okay? So we'll find out. We have different online shopping mall. Meron pa rin sa Aza Mall at saka sa G Mall. So alam natin na meron yan, okay? So good luck, okay? And main topic ko usually during 101 teaching or dito sa Marinduque Global Center, umiikot lang sa tatlong action, yung ride, learn, and drive. The bus, yung buzz, the business or the Atomy buzz. So, feeling ko, or mali yung feeling ko. I think, mali din yung I think. It's not, it's not the right words that I want to say. Well, my journey in finding the right balanced life start with taking this action. And it is important for us to take this action. So, for today, ang focus natin is all about the products, yung tools natin sa pagiging successful. So, I put the title, Ride the Bus, Buy, Use, and Share. Lagi nyo yung maririnig sa mga presenter, of course, kay Sir Dennis, sa mga nagpipresent. Kasi yun naman talaga yung unang-unang action na dapat nating gawin. Buy what you need, and then you must use these products, and then you can also explore your online shopping mall, your website, to see what other products you can try. Dapat pag Atomian, pag may bagong labas na product, nangunguna-nguna ka na maitry yan. And then if you love these products, our company chairman is just asking us to share our experiences and our testimony to others. Of course, kung nag-benefit ka, you would like your loved ones to benefit as well. So for the featured product today, I would like to share the ethereal patches. I know this product is not available in the Philippines, and usually pag umuwi po ako, dinadalhan ko ng isa o dalawang box yung mom ko. Why? It's because this product is really good, especially dun sa mga marami ng sumasakit-sakit. So, exploring the channel Atomy, wala kaagad akong nakita na ano ba to? Na presentation about the ethereal patches. But if you go in YouTube, you can find different testimonies ng mga Atomians around the globe na gumagamit na ng ethereal patch. And I happen to watch this Miss Diana sharing about the Atomy ethereal patch. And I found out na dati pala, yung isang box ng ethereal patch only have the 10 sachet, yung ganito, 10 lang ang laman. And then without changing the price, naging 11. So now yung isang box, we have 55 patches. So nakakatuwa, napaka-generous talaga ni Atomy kasi dumami yung laman ng isang box, naging 11 ganito, 11 sachet na ganito. Kasi isang sachet na ganito, it has 5 patches inside. So from 10, naging 11 times 5 patches inside, then now you have 55 patches sa isang box. And she highlighted yung different key ingredient na meron sa Atomy Patch. Yung zinc oxide na sabi niya, this is really great to use on cold sores, skin ulcers, burns, irritations, acne, scrapes, diaper rashes. It can prevent bacterial infections, and then it reduces oil. And then another ingredient na matatagpuan sa ating ethereal patch is yung eucalyptus. It can relieve cold, flu symptoms. It treats coughing. It can clear chest of mucus. You can breathe easier. Kapag lumabas ka, parang magdikit ka lang sa katawan mo. Parang repellent for the insects. It can also help disinfect wounds, soothes cold sores, and eases joint pain. And then another ingredient that we have is the peppermint. So peppermint, we know it's antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and then nakakatulong sa pangangate, sa muscle pain. It also helps with clearing mucus. It reduces muscle spasms. It reduces flatulence or yung, gas. It relieves stress, headaches, and migraines. So individually, these are the ingredients na alam mong nakakatulong sa atin. And then with the ethereal patch na pinagsama-sama siya, you'll be surprised na ang daming gamit ng patch. Para siyang modern sa lumpas, pero since walang chemical, puro essential oils lang ang meron. Yung benefit na mabibigay sa iyo is unimaginable. So, you can put it in different places. Kung may masakit sa likod, sa buttocks, headache, sa shoulder, kung may muscle spasm, you can put it, yan, sa arthritis, sa lower back pain, ayan, okay. So, para ka ng, ano, no? And then, sa headache, pwedeng maggupit ka lang ng maliit, ilagay dito sa may sentido, or kapag ka hindi mo siya ipinil off, pabaliktad ilalagay sa ulo. Okay? If you're snoring or kung pakiramdam nyo is, tawag doon, kung pakiramdam nyo is clog yung nose nyo, para kayo maglagay ng strip dyan. Sore throat, yan, ganyan. Sa dysmenorrhea, pwede rin. Ayan. Or kung hindi makatulog, ayan, pabaliktad, makakatulog. Ganyan daw ang paglagay. Hindi mo kailangan dikit sa ano. But recently, nagkaroon ako sudden pain sa sa wrist ko. So, kapag binuksan, let me just stop my share para makita niyo yung, yan, let me just stop my share. Hold on. Yan. Okay. So, nakikita niyo siguro ako. So, pag binuksan niyo yung ethereal patch, yan, may limang ganto po, limang packet na ganto. So, usually, kung ano lang yung kailangan mo, gugupitin mo siya. Depende sa kailangan mo or kung ano yung size na kailangan mo. So, most of the time, yung isang pinag-aapat ko siya and then ilalagay ko dun sa kung saan man yung masakit or kung maliit lang yung kailangan mo para sa, let's say, dito sa sentido mo, ilalagay mo lang na ganon. Yan. And then, madali lang siyang i-peel. Sobrang bango niya. As in, nakaka-addict. Nakaka-addict po. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Mahirap And then, let's say, ilagay ko sa aking dito sa likod. Kasi, kailangan ko ng masahe eh. Dito. Tapos, ang lamig-lamig niya sa pakiramdam. So, nakakatuwa. So, sa mga nasa Pilipinas, don't worry. Sana dumating din ito sa inyo. Pero kung may kakilala po kayo na nasa abroad na alam niyong makikinabang dito, you can share it. And I'll show you how to share it. Especially sa US kasi nasa US ito. Okay. So kapag nag-login kayo sa inyong website, let's say kahit Philippine account ka, lilipat ka sa USA, right? Paglipat mo sa USA, once you add it sa cart, add mo sa cart. And then, if you wanna share the link to someone na gustong mag-purchase, you can click yung easy purchase link. So, once clinic mo yung easy purchase link, you can create a link na pwede mong isend sa iyong kaibigan kung saan kahit hindi sila member or kahit hindi sila nag-login sa account nila, they can purchase it directly. O, diba? Nakakatuwa. Hindi ka pa ba matutuwang maging member ni Atomy? Kasi exclusive members have access to these products with absolute quality and absolute price. Totoo pong walang makakapantay. And this product, the Ethereal Patch, is a GSGS product from Taiwan. So nakakatuwa na from Taiwan, we are all enjoying this. Okay? So kung nasa Pilipinas ka, mag-login sa account, lumipat sa USA. Kung may kakilala sa USA, you can share this and they don't have to be a member to buy. Just create a link for them. So i-add sa cart, easy purchase. Here in US, it's $36 plus tax. So, depende kung anong state sila, may additional taxes po. Once you click yung easy purchase, it would open a box like this. So, the sales date is automatically set to the purchase date kung hindi sila member. So, may kaibigan ka sa Amerika, narinig, maganda yung ethereal patch or may masakit, may arthritis, gusto mong makatulong, of course, send the link. You have to select or check this box na nag-a-agree sila na eto yung they have to check this box and then the generate URL or ibig sabihin generate a link, magiging green yan. You have to click this generate URL. Pag na-click mo na siya, then yung link na pwede mong i-share sa kaibigan mo, mapupunta dun sa baba. Then you have to click yung copy URL. Ibig sabihin, ikokopyahin nyo yung link na ibibigay mo sa kaibigan mo para makapurchase siya ng ethereal patch. Of course, hindi lang ethereal patch ang pwede nating i-share or yung pwede sa easy purchase na na features, okay? Lahat ng products na gusto nilang bilhin kung ayaw nilang mag-create ng account, you can just add everything to the cart and then create a link, easy purchase. Okay? Ang disadvantage lang with the easy purchase link is after they click that link, kung ano yung nakalagay sa cart, kung ano yung products na shinare mo, kung ano yung parang ready to check out, yun lang yung mga products na may check out nila. So, if they need to add something, they need to ask you again na dagdagan or palitan or alisin yun dun sa cart. So, yun lang yung disadvantage. And then, after you copy the URL, kapag clinic mo na yan, another screen would open and it would say, the URL had been copied to the clipboard. So, ibig sabihin, nandun na sa mouse mo, you can right-click and paste it to sa message, sa email, or pwede nyo i-post sa Facebook. Yun. Okay? So, sana natutunan kung paano mag-share ng easy purchase link. Okay? Applicable for all the products na meron sa USA. Okay? Check your countries kung available yung feature na yan. But that is available for USA online shopping mall. Okay. We have daily necessities. Meron tayong supplements, beauty products, health. Yan. Lahat na pang-araw-araw mong ginagamit. And ang maganda kay Atomy, you just have to switch your brand. And as you buy products, you accumulate points. Hindi yun mag-expire, diba? And then, as you share it to others, halimbawa, may nagustuhan ka talaga. Kasi while someone was opening ethereal patch at work, may nakaamoy lang na, ano yun, ang bang-bango, sabi ganon. And then they asked me, oh, this is that was the ethereal patch from Atomy. And then, I didn't even have to open my mouth. Nagtanong na, ano yung product na mabango na nilalagay para sa paint. So, that's how easy it is to share the product. Kasi kapag magandang kalidad, may nakagusto, madali lang. O, diba? And then as you continue to share it to others, when they have their own account, they will earn their own personal point value. Yun po yung magiging group point value mo, and that would turn into cashback. Okay, so dapat hindi tayo magsawa na mag-share, paulit-ulit lang, you will accumulate points na nanggagaling sa lahat ng members mo sa left and sa right. So if this is your first time listening to this, I'm not touching on the details of the marketing plan. But ganun lang po kadali na maka-accumulate ng points kay Atomy. Kasi lahat ng products sa Atomy may points. And very generous tayo sa points. Hindi yung 1 piso is to 1 point. Hindi po. Thousands and thousands of points. So, if you set your mind na mag-commission on a daily basis, you just need 300,000 points sa left and sa right. And we have an opportunity to earn $60 up to $1,200. So sa lahat na naging sales master last 15 days, congratulations. Kasi pag naging sales master ka and you're promoted again to Diamond Master, Sharon Rose, up to Imperial Master, paulit-ulit ang bonus sa Atomy. Every 15 days, merong bonus. So kung nag-sales master ka uli, you get a bonus. So yung 10% na binibigay sa sales master, it's about $450 on the 7th and on the 22nd of the month. Okay? Kaya Tuesday, Atomy, we get our commissions. Ayan. And then 7th and 22nd, we get our mastership bonus. Like what I've said, we only have 7 masterships. And then if you love the products, you must use the products 100%. You should share it to earn income. And then, pag mas mataas na po na mastership level, of course, once you're promoted to a sales master, you just need to duplicate yourself. Turuan kung paano maging sales master, maging Diamond Master, maging Sharon Rose Master. Sa previous Success Academy, it was emphasized na this is a teamwork business. And I do believe that Atomy is a bayanihan business. Okay? Kahit hindi mo siya ginagawa as a business, even if you are just buying one product, you know that buying this product, you're helping thousands, even millions of people above you, or you are helping the company to help more people. Kasi napaka-generous ng company. We are, you've seen in the video kanina, di ba? We are sharing sa compassion sa mga kids. Our chairman is giving out mga hospitals and schools. We have Dreamy Foundation, lahat na. And as the leaders and as the Atomians go to different ladders, lalo na dun sa naging member na ng Leaders Club. First is yung Auto Sales Master. Yung Leaders Club, $100,000 annually and then above. Okay? So, mas nagiging generous. This is the only company that truly you'll be helping. As you purchase the product, you'll be helping the company, you'll be helping yourself, you'll be helping your loved ones. Yan. And then as you go through the leadership ng do sa Leaders Club, you will help your team to be more successful. And once you become part of the Imperial Leaders Club, once you become the Imperial Master, you will be part of the Imperial Leaders Club. So, yan yung pinaka goal natin, okay? To become the Imperial Master. And I will be an Imperial Master in the future. And I know you will too. So just believe, have faith in the system, have faith in the company. Believe in yourself, of course, and believe in God, and lahat yan mangyayari. Okay, so for today, yung A to C natin, words over matter, of course, lagi ko sinasabi, yung first, sa mga mag-share, okay? First letter, let's say yung E, ethereal patch, okay? Once I discuss it later kung ano yung mga meaning ng mga letters sa akin, but of course you'll be discussing your favorite products. The first portion would be about the household and atomy. And then the second section would be about yourself. Let's say, ano ba yung ethereal patch? Unahin ko yung ethereal patch. So, para sa akin, yung ethereal patch is sa E, so in relation to atomy and household, you are converting your expenses to income. If I'm looking to myself, I just need to embrace the company motto, okay? And then if I would encourage you as a team leader, as a leader, I would encourage you to engage with your partners. Okay, so wag malito mamaya if I say the meanings of once I say the meanings of the letters. So first portion would be about household anatomy, second is for yourself, and then third is for the team. So kung baguhan ka, of course, you'll be concentrating on the products, diba? And then as you go, as you develop yourself to become a leader, you'll look into yourself, you evaluate yourself, reassess, and then once you're in the leaders, leaders section na, or yung mga Sharon Rose Master and above yan, of course, you'll be looking towards your team. Okay. So now let's transition to the A to C. Sino po ang unang gustong mag-share ng ating products sa A to Z? Any volunteer? Okay, walang volunteer. I'll do the voluntold. Okay, let's start. Ayan, excited siya kasi nakikita ko na ngumingiti-ngiti na siya. Anong letter ang gusto mo? Sir Dennis Capili.
Letter M.
Letter F. Okay, okay. And what products? Anong, ha?
Letter M. M.
M. Okay, sorry. Letter M, like Mama Mary. Okay. Anong products ang may letter M ka?
Mama. may
Sorry for putting you on the spot, okay? When you choose a letter, make sure you have a product that coincides with the letter.
Letter S na lang. Palitan ko na lang. Letter S na lang.
Letter S. Okay. Naku, wala akong S. Okay. Go ahead. Ano pong letter S na product ang meron ka?
Sopalmeto. Atomy Sopalmeto.
Okay. And bakit niyo po nagustuhan ang Saw Palmetto?
Gaya nga I always, yung sa pagka tinatanong ako kung ano yung product na mas nakakagustuhan ko. Although, of course, MOA, may lagi akong nag-take. Last guy yung Omega-3 other products. But yung Sopalmeto kasi nga, meron kasi nga ako, I was diagnosed with enlargement, prostate enlargement, way back 25 years ago. And That was when I was 40 years old. Then, lagi na, every time na magkakaroon kami ng annual check-up sa company namin, lagi nagkakaroon ng additional enlargement yung prostate ko. So I was taking up medicine. Pero it was not really helping out. But when I became a member of Atomy and I heard about the Sopalmeto, it was not available in the Philippines at that time. So I usually ask SM Belen to buy it for me from Singapore. Kaya noon ako nagsimulang minom ng Sopalmeto. At noon nang nasimulan ko yon, naging maganda yung epekto sa akin nung Sopalmeto. Kasi nga, during the time na hindi pa ako uminom ng Sopalmeto, I always go to the toilet in between, many times during the night. So, hindi ako nakakakompleto ng magandang tulog. At saka yung many other reasons nga yung, pag meron kaming annual check-up, laging merong natitira sa gallbladder ko, na konting yung urine. So, nung nagsimula ako uminom ng Sopalmeto, naging maganda epekto sa akin. So, naging naging continuous ang tulog ko. Maganda yung resulta ng may magandang epekto rin sa akin, alam mo na, sa mga lalaki. Kasi it's also giving, good effect of that. At saka talagang, I feel na maganda yung urine ko kasi nagkaroon ng pressure, hindi yung paputol-putol lang. So, talaga nakatulong sa akin. Kaya every time nagkakaroon ako kung tatanungin ako about the products, yung sa Palmetto lagi ang pinipili. So, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Dennis. Ayan. So, Palmetto. Okay, meron pa ba kayong ibang S? Meron pa bang naunahan ni Sir Dennis sa S? Sino pang may ibang product na S? Okay. So, sa mga baguhan, S would mean start with no capital. Kasi once you join Atomy, libre, diba? Okay? Walang puhunan, walang quota. You don't even have to add, to buy a package. Walang ganon. Sa mga nag-evaluate ng sarili, you have to set the goal, semi or sales master, as your initial goal. And for the team leaders, you have to serve with humility. Okay. So, yun yung S ko. Yun ang S meaning ko. Other products na nag-start sa S, kung na-miss nyo at hindi nakapag-share, we have Seng Mudan Hair Tonic, Synergy Ampule, we have Silk Protein Hair Essence, Sunstick Derma Calming yung sunscreen dyan sa Pilipinas. We have sheet laundry detergent. We have shopping bag na white, shopping bag na blue, shopping bag na reusable. We have sandwich laver. We have scalp care set, scalp care shampoo, scalp care conditioner. We have sunscreen. We have sunscreen beige. We have sunscreen sun essence. We have scrubber. We have stainless scrubber. We have the black scrubber, yung new sponge natin. And of course, here in America, we have Spanish leaflet. Okay, if I miss any letter na nagsisimula sa S, please comment down below para ma-add ko sa aking presentation. Okay, who's next? I can see, okay, voluntold. Next is SM Elena. What's your product po?
Ang product ko pong i-share ay Atomy Organic Fermented Noni Concentrate. Ito po yon. Ito po pasalubong ni Ralen. 1 box. Pag ako'y uminom ng himuhim, hindi ako iinom nito kasi ang dinidivide ko lang. Ito po nakakatulong sa akin sa pagtulog. Talagang kaya po ako sumasali doon sa mga GSMC ay hindi ako nakakatulog, nag-a-atomy ako. Ay ito po nakakatulong. Tapos sa diabetes, sa antioxidant, sa stress. Yan, ito po ang aking isi-share. And noni. Ito po.
Yan, thank you. And Noni, okay. Naku, wala na naman akong N. Wala akong S, wala akong N. So kung may letters po kayo na S and N, please cross it out. Okay, sa mga nagsisimula sa Atomy, I could say that this is a new consumer era. Okay, anong ibig sabihin? Online. Okay, diba? Online na tayo. Okay. And then this is a no-brainer business. Ewan ko lang kasi kung gusto niyo yung produkto, kahit wala pong Atomy, magtutoothbrush, maglalaba, magtitake kayo ng supplement. So, no-brainer business. So, once you love the products, it would make more sense to do it as a business. And then, of course, if you want to be successful and you want to lead your team to success, never give up. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin ko ng N sa ating A to C ng Atomy. Of course, we have the Noni Juice Organic Fermented and then we have the non-woven fabric shopping bag. Okay, yung reusable bag. Ang pangalan niya sa Atomy is non-woven fabric fabric shopping bag. Okay, next letter. Let's hear from SM Ping. Go ahead, SM Ping.
Hello. For today, I'm going basic. So when I started Atomy, Atomy is, again, I will say, Himuhim is my life. But for today, I will share with you my Atomy lotion. Kasi if you love yourself, love your body too. Sabi nga nila. So when I started, I'm a person, hindi ako gumagamit ng mga lotion kasi galit ako sa mga malagkit.
Anong letter gusto mo? B or L? Body
L.
lotion or L? L.
L,
Okay.
lotion. Kaya sinabi kong, love yourself. So, ako tao, talagang galit na galit ako sa mga malalagkit. Kaya ayaw na ayaw ko. So, before knowing Atomy, so lalo na yung aking sponsor, pag nagkikita kami sa meeting, hoy, nag-lotion ka ba? Naglagay ka ba ng lotion sa paa mo? Kasi minsan, I ignore it. Kasi ayaw na ayaw ko, lalo na paglabas ng bahay, tapos mainit. So, ayun ang ayaw ko. But, learning the Atomy lotion, body lotion, so, I realized na hindi siya yung parang magkakaroon ka ng oily sa skin mo. Kasi the best thing with the lotion is it absorbs in your skin. And it stays longer to your skin. Hapon na, kasi dati ini-scratch ko yung skin ko. Pag sinabi kong ini-scratch, pag pumuti yung skin ko, ibig sabihin wala lang lotion yung skin ko. So with Atomy, it's proven, it's worth sharing, and I have a very good number of auto consumer. They just call me and I help them purchase. And I even introduced this again to my new chiropractors during my visits, and I have orders. Then it's worth sharing. Simple, you can carry anywhere, you can put in your bag, bring in your office, and voila, ayun na yun. Atomy Body Lotion.
Thank you, SM Ping. Okay, if you have letter S, you can cross it out sa inyong paper. And letter L pala. Letter L. So, other products that starts with L is Life Scenario, Lash Power Mascara, Liquid Laundry Detergent, Lip Glow. Ayan, lip glow. Ito, lip glow. Ayan. And then we have lip treatment, latex glove, medium and large, and of course, lipstick at Gmall at saka sa Korea. Okay? And then of course, sa mga baguhan, you just have to love the products. Okay? Sa mga nandito na 3 years ago pa, make sure you learn the tools for success. You have the products and you have the website. And of course, if you're a leader, make sure you lead your team. Okay? Next, I have SM Bilen.
Hello, good evening and good morning. To choose the favorite product is really so difficult. So I'll just select one of my favorites, which is, where is it? Cafe Arabica. Oh my God, cannot see. Okay.
Put it in
Cafe
your chest.
Arabica.
Gitnas,
Ayan,
gitna.
Cafe Arabica. Kasi sa lahi talaga namin, coffee is life. Kami yung nagkakape pagising sa umaga, nagkakape habang kumakain, nagkakape bago matulog. So, buti na lang, healthy ang kape Arabica ng Atomy at saka hindi siya nakakapangasim ng sikmura. Kaya kahit medyo nakakadami, 3 or 5 in a day, parang okay lang siya. Masaya pa rin ang buhay. So, yun, for me, Cafe Arabica. Letter C.
Thank you sa letter C. Ayan, at least may letter C na rin ako. First letter sa aking board. Okay, other products na nag-start sa C. We have curling essence, yung para sa mga kulot ng buhok. We have that here in America. We have cream bees. Ayan, paborito ko to. Cream bees. Okay, for hydration. Ayan, spray-spray lang. Yan. And then we have Cafe Arabica 50 sticks, Cafe Arabica 200 sticks, and then we have the Color Food Vitamin C. So, yan yung mga products na nag-start sa C. And of course, if you are new, calcium! Oh, no, my good. Thank you. Ilagay natin yan. Calcium, of course. Yan, napakaganda na ating calcium. So, if you're new, make sure you change your store and your brand. Change the way how you shop. And then if you have been here for at least over a year and you have not had your first commission, of course, change your mindset, okay? And of course, if you're a leader, I encourage you to cherish the spirit, okay? Look the person not with the dollar sign in their forehead, but truly find out kung paano makakatulong ang ating produkto at ang Atomy sa kanilang buhay. Okay, next! Sino pong sunod? Next on the screen, I have Miss Marilyn. Ano pong product ang gusto nyong i-share? Ma'am Marilyn, product na gusto mong binili mo recently and then product na na-share mo sa iba.
Ay, teka. Wala po akong hawak pero ang paborito ko po ay Hemohim. H po ang aking napiling letter. Kasi po, mula po nung uminom ako ng Hemohim, nawala yung aking tawag dito. Ito po yung parang namamanhid. Saka katulong din po pala yung Omega, sorry. Pati po Omega, yung Alaskan Omega. Yun po. Nakakabigay sa akin ng lakas. Paggising ko pa lang po sa umaga, iinumin ko na iyo. Magte-take na po ako ng Hemohim, empty stomach. Para po nabubusog agad ako. Hindi ako nagugutom. Late na akong kumain ng almusal. At yung po naman sa gabi, yung Omega, Alaskan Omega 3. Ang sarap po ng tulog.
Okay.
Kahit po konti lang ang tulog, parang hindi po masakit sa ulo. Na-obserban ko po yun. Thank you po.
Ayan. Thank you po, Ma'am Marilyn, for sharing. So, i-share po ni Ma'am Marilyn yung ating flagship product, yung Himuhim, sa mga hindi po nakakakilala. This is our flagship product. And marami pa po tayong products na H. So, since dalawa yung minention niya, let's go for H. At kung may O kayo, sige, you can cross it out kasi patapos na yung mga members natin. Wala pa nananalo. Okay, H, other products na meron sa Atomy Online Shopping Mall. And we have 27 regions na may online shopping mall. So, we have Himuhim, we have Hong Sung Dam, we have Hair Essential, we have hand cream. Ito yon, hand cream, favorite ko yan. Hand cream, we have Om, Homme, Om Multi-Action Cleanser. We have all-in-one. We have hand sanitizer. Ayan, meron din ako yan. Hand sanitizer. We have Himalayan pink salt. Nami-miss ko na yan kasi na-out of stock kami dito sa US. We have healthcare basket. We have Om skin set. We have, ano pa ba? Om Energizing All-in-One. We have Hydra Brightening Skincare Set, Hydra Brightening Essence, and Hydra Brightening Cream. We have Herbal hair shampoo, we have hair conditioner, herbal hair conditioner, herbal hair treatment, we have herbal body cleanser, di ba? Puro H. And then we have hair and body set, we have hand soap, of course, and then hand cream, hand therapy cream, ayan. So, ang dami-dami na H. Of course, sa mga baguhan, ano bang H ko para sa inyo? Atomy is hope when there is no hope. Okay? Especially dun sa mga nangarap, nagtapos, pinipilit na magkaroon ng magandang trabaho. I would say, Atomy is the easiest, okay? Easiest way to do to have passive income and to have financial time freedom. You just have to learn it, okay? To evaluate yourself, I would say always hone and help yourself first. Kasi kapag hindi mo inaral si Atomy or hindi mo tinulungan ang sarili mo using the products or hindi mo naintindihan si Atomy, you will not be able to help others. You will not be able to show them kung papaano. And then of course, for the leaders at sa mga nangangarap maging sales masters and above, make sure you always host and hold your partner. So when I say host, once you love the products, you can host a party, a ramen party, tea party, lahat na facial party. And then if you want to be successful, hold your partners, lead them to success, okay? It's difficult in the beginning, but once all of you become successful, it would be easier. It will become easier. So hope when there is no hope, hone and help yourself first, and then host and hold your partners. Okay, next, let me see my screen. Okay, now we have Star Master Joseph.
Yeah, I'm just for the share to oral care system. Well, I love it, Atomy product, everything. Well, I use it, everything. I love it, everything. But why telling to the oral care system today, and this one with delivery, what to the visitor, my daughter payback ceremony, with we just for the Teresa, my wife Teresa, just wrapping 50 of them and just visitor we give to each visitor. This oral care system is very simple. Everybody, this is very simple and easy, safer taking care of your mouth, right? And let's have it include toothbrush, toothpaste, and interdental brush. The interdental brush used for cleaning between your teeth. And toothbrush is very soft and thin. And toothpaste has Brazilian propolis, which help you stop cavity and bad breath and and plug. Then small brush clean between your teeth, where food gets stuck, Okay. It's easy to carry. Why give to the people for especially Christmas season or birthday, give it, or neighborhood, easy to give it. Why? First, easy to carry. Second, great for travel or work. Third, and health every day. Your mouth clean and health every day. Just if you don't have it, just put in your pocket or put in your backpack, put in your handbag, just to take it. Yeah, this is a very necessity product for woman and man for every day. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Star Master Joseph. Yan, part siya ng Leaders Club na kumikita ng more than 4 to 5 million pesos annually. Okay, the oral care set. So, letter O. Okay, so since binanggit ko na yung O, we can do letter T. Okay. Other products na nag-start sa O, we have the O2 O2 Bubble Power, yung panlaban na para sa mga puting damit. We have that here in America. So please check if you guys have that in Singapore or in Japan or in Australia or in other countries. We have um, organic fermented noni juice, organic oatmeal. We have oral care system, of course, organic olive oil grilled liver, and we have the organic black chia seeds. Yun yung mga products na nag-start sa O. And then, of course, omega-3, no? Okay. And anong OCO? Para sa mga baguhan, Atomy is an online distribution hub. Atomy is online shopping mall. Okay? If you've been here, I'll say open your heart. Open your heart. Ayan, okay? And of course, it is an opportunity for passive income. Sana makita nyo rin yung vision na nakikita namin in doing Atomy. So, it's an online distribution hub, online shopping mall. Please open your heart and it's an opportunity for passive income. Okay, next we have Diamond Master Junie.
Hello everyone. Pasensya na, medyo masama pakiramdam ko eh. Favorite product is a dishwashing liquid kasi it doesn't dry up my skin pag naghuhugas. Kasi favorite ko talagang paghugas ng plato. For some reasons, ayaw ko ipagkatiwala sa iba paghuhugas ng plato eh. Gusto ko nakikita ko kung paano ko siya haplusin, yung malinis talaga siya, hindi yung pwedeng madalian lang. Kaya hindi ko pinagkakatiwala ang paghugas ng plato. Kaya importante sa akin yung scrubber at saka dishwashing liquid. So, letter D.
Thank you, DM Junie. Buti na lang, paborito niya ang paghuhugas ng plato kasi ayaw ko maghugas ng plato kasi magaspang na po yung kamay ko kahuhugas sa ospital. Okay? Of course, D. Products na nag-start sa D, we have Derma Calming Sunstick uli, Daily Expert Mask, we have Derma Real Cica Set, yung toner, ampoule, and cream. We have Deep Pure Cleansing Oil, yon sa mga very dry face, tsaka yung medyo tamad, yan, maganda yan. Dishwashing liquid, of course, Deep Cleanser na part ng Atomy Evening Care 4 Set. And then we have the Drawstring Gift Pouch Bag na 5 piraso yung plastic dito sa US. And then, of course, we have dates. I think this is in Malaysia. Dates. Okay? And then for D, anong sasabihin ko? Well, of course, Atomy offers daily essentials. Okay? Pang-araw-araw nyo pong ginagamit. Like what I've said, may Atomy man o wala, you will brush your teeth, you will wash the dishes. Okay? And ask again yourself, dream big and vividly. So, sinulat nyo na ba yung life scenario nyo? Sinulat nyo na ba yung goals nyo? So, make sure you dream big and dream vividly. And of course, for the leaders, you have to put a date when you need to challenge. Date of your challenge and date of success. Okay? Kailan ka magiging Imperial? Kailan ka magiging Shar Rose Master, Star Master? Yan. Kailan ang iyong promotion? Okay? Make sure you put a date kasi once, kapag hindi nyo sinusulat yung date, wala lang. Hindi totoong yan. Hindi totoong goal. Okay? Next, we have Sharon Rose Master Gerard. Ano pong favorite product nyo? Recently binili nyo, ginamit at isinare sa iba?
Sa akin yung aking Hong Sandan. Ito po yung aking letter H, na letra. Kasunod doon kay Ma'am Marlene. Nire-reinforce po niya yung himuhim para sa akin. If himuhim can help us produce and balance the red blood cells and white blood cells, ito naman will help us for the blood circulation. So, yung energy level, lalo na po yung mga 50 and above, like me, I'm 58 years old, nire-recommend ko po ito kasi talaga pong nakakatulong sa tinatawag na stamina, yung energy, and you name it, narito na po lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you po. Sharon Rose Master Gerard Merendilla. Ayan. So, after Diamond Mastership, ang sunod po ay yung Sharon Rose Master. And since we have mentioned na yung H kanina, so recap lang sa mga naglaro at nag-join sa ating game. We have letter S, N, L, C, letter H, letter O, and then, letter T. Let's discuss letter T kasi binanggit naman ni Star Master Joseph yung oral care set. And of course, H again. Okay. Letter T. For the toothbrush, toothpaste, oral care set, ayan, guaranteed walang dragon breath, walang bad breath sa umaga. Okay. We have the Fame set, we have the Fame travel kit, we have toothpaste, toothbrush, yung 50 grams, 200 grams. We have the travel cleansing kit, we have the Tri-Active Calcium, we have the tea, yung pure tea, and then we have the green tea. Okay, kung may na-miss po ako, paki-comment lang. Anong letter T ni anong ibig sabihin ng T para kay Dear Marilyn? Of course, sa mga buguhan, I would say it transcends through time and space. Bakit? Atomy is an online shopping mall, pero global po tayo. So, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, pagtulog mo, your consumers na nasa abroad, nasa America, nasa New Zealand, nasa Australia, bumibili sila. Okay? Parang 24/7, laging bukas ang online shopping mall. And then, for others looking at themselves and evaluating yourself, you have to be trustworthy. This is a company that follows the principle of honesty and goodness. We cannot create or we cannot make words, okay? Hindi na, we cannot make stories. Talagang totoong experience lang. We are not even allowed to share the products na hindi natin na-try. So, based on honesty. And of course, if you're leading the team, make sure you do it with teamwork. So, yun po yung T para sa akin. And the last but not the least, I know she's very busy. She's a great leader. Part of the Royal Leaders Club, part of with earning an income more than $200,000 per year. The center head of North Carolina Global Center, and I'm so grateful that she's here with us, Royal Master Yu Suk Song of Atomy America. The floor is yours.
Good morning, good evening. Thanks for giving me a chance for speech. Wow, great team. Yes, today is a product day. It's everything good product. We have a Success Academy in Atlanta, Georgia last Saturday. It was great, exciting, great seminar. This time we have a good MC. Our Diamond Master, really great job. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, this time more than 500 people get together. More than half is my team, NC Global team. 13 years ago, so I'm starting only me because I met Atomy early stage. I love this product. That's why I'm staying in this company. I'm good consumer 1 year. Year later, I'm attending seminar. I was so shocked. This is not labor income. This is system income. So my life is my immigrant life. 35 years, only physical world, only labor income. Getting old, many health issue, I couldn't make labor income anymore. At the time, I'm lucky, God gave me this opportunity. I take opportunity. We have to open mind. We take opportunity. I've been call marketing every day, 4 hours in the field. They don't know yet in the Charlotte. The Korean community, only 3,000 people in Charlotte. I'm go another community every day. Do you know Atomy? Do you know Atomy? That's my duty. This business, great, great. Good news to anyone. Using this product, good for their health, good for their beauty, good for their side income. So please be proud. You are Atomian. Please confidence, more confidence. We are Atomian. How to do this make money? Please using all product name brand Atomy only. And then if you have happy, please open your mouth, sharing, talk to anyone. Anywhere, anyhow, anytime, any place. Please sharing. I'm so sorry this group all the time when I come, only 10 people. You not open your mouth. That's your team, very good leading, Diamond Master, good leaders in here, but no sharing. This is good news. I hope next week this room is 20 people, 30 people 50 people. Bring some people because you are good people. You have good tool in your hand. Please open your mouth. Bring here. Invitation, invitation. This is not small business. This is great opportunity. We are all good Christian, good people. Don't use yourself. Please sharing. We need to bring here. Open presentation. What is this product? What is this company? That's your goal. I hope next week I'm gonna give you a surprise gift. Anybody bring one people? More than $20 value gift. Please bring anybody. Your sister, brother, anybody. This is good news. Not using yourself. You are good people, right? So I don't know what is my gift. Anybody bring in more than $20 gift? Bring invitation here. I'm gonna provide. This is great team up, good presentation. We have to share in good news to anyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Royal Master Yusuk Song. Okay, ayan, you heard it. It's recorded. It's in Facebook Live. She will give a gift. Just bring one person next Tuesday, Atomy, okay? So like what I've said, Atomy is 99% made for all of us. We just need to plug into the system and learn more and be successful. You don't need to be a graduate, okay? You don't need you don't need a skill. There's no important skill set needed. You'll get there eventually. Just follow the system. Because meron tayong unlimited binary leverage, binary downline, yung member ng member ng member mo pa rin, di ba? And we will find someone always better than us. So, na magtataguyod at tutulong sa atin na maging successful. So, as we continue to find and share these products to others, we will find our team as well. So, let's continue to plug into the system. We have global seminars. We have one-day seminar. We have Success Academy. For the month of June, wala pong Success Academy in America. And then, here in US, of course, we will have it in Texas. Check your website to see kung kailan yung Success Academy in your particular country. We have center meeting, face-to-face po. So kung may malapit na center, make sure mag-attend. Tuesday, Atomy is for Marinduque Global Center. But we have daily Zooms. 8 a.m. po yung Monday to Saturday, except Tuesday, 7:30 tayo. And then, we have different one-on-one training. So, just let your sponsor know, mag-plug in sa system. Napakarami pong training para matutunan ang sistema. Sana may natutunan kayo sa mga products na shinare namin. The A to Z of Atomy. We haven't gone through the 26 letters. So, next time po, sana ma-mention natin yung ibang products. And I do encourage you to share your testimony. Hindi natin alam kung sinong matutulungan natin sa araw na ito. So, shout out sa lahat ng nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. Kay SM Liam, SM Maricel, SM Sandra, Pastor Renato, Star Master Teresa, Ate Emma, thank you for watching. And DM Doc says, of course, Sir Dennis and Mom Marilyn is also in Facebook. So thank you for staying in with the system. And we will end with our company motto. So you guys can open your mic. Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Cherish the
Cherish
spirit.
Cherish the
Spirit.
spirit.
Vision.
Father, the
Faith.
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 Humility.
Humility.
Aja. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you po for watching.
Thank you.
Bye. I love you all. Bye.
Good job. Thank you.
Oh, picture. Wala
Picture.
picture. Let's take a picture. Ang bilis nila. Okay, 1, 2,
A really beautiful face.
beautiful face daw. Gano. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.